Dear friend, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the Royal Luxury Emulsion. This is the product which Asian Paint is having in their luxury product list. So this is mostly a timeless luxury product which comes in luxury series, and its name is Royal Luxury Emulsion. So we know that Asian Paints having lot of products, but Royal Luxury product is just brush stroke away with Royal Luxury Emulsions. And it is the only paint emulsion in India equipped with a Teflon surface protector. Teflon surface protector means that would give you a uh, better washability and highly durability for your coatings, and it is a non-toxic, lead-free, low VOC and odorless paint, so you can use for interior walls without any negative impact, and you can create a hygiene environment throughout the home. So, and it will protect your walls from different kind of tough stains like coffee, lipstick, and grease, oil, then from harmful bacteria. So really it's a great product. And what are the benefits, why we have to buy this product? So I is there's different lot of benefits of this product. First one is that this is a having Teflon surface technology, so that create the protective layer, making it easily for walls to be cleaned. Means whatever products having this kind of technology, they are very easy to wash and clean, and gives a good durability for our product. And these are highly durable paint that fortifies your walls against tough household stains. Fortifies means they resist everything of household stains. Household stains means like we use coffee in home, and tea, coffee, wine, then lipstick, then marker and pencil, pen. So it can resist those kind of uh, household stains, and it will give you perfect finish that imparts a smooth sheen finish. Then it is antifungal, designed to prevent fungal growth and on walls. And second one is the antibacterial, so it offers unique antibacterial shield that kills 99% of microorganisms on your walls. So it is very good for if you are having children at your home, so you can apply on the walls. Then it's having green assure, so the paint conforms that to strict international and environmental and safety standards. It is passing all the standards, and it is really low VOC product. So generally everybody or everyone recommend the paint which we have to use for interior walls. So that could be a low VOC paint, low odorless, odorless, and antifungal, antibacterial. So this product is having all kind of properties which or qualities which we should look for interior paint. Then there are some popular sets which Asian Paint has providing is providing in this product. So like ice crystal, cream pie, sonnet, dreamy, and different kind of other blue light. And how it looks, generally looks like this. And here are some method how to apply the paint. So first step, you can prepare with your primer. So this you can use Royal wall base coat, first coat. Then in second coat to second step, you can use putty. So this is you know acrylic wall putty from Asian Paint. You have to apply two coats. Then you can apply in third step primer again. So this is Royal wall wash coat. You have to apply first coat, means one coat. Then in step 4, you can apply this top as a top coat, Royal Luxury Emulsion. So to get a perfect finish and sheen, you have to apply 2 coats for this product, and really it will give you a perfect finish and durability of your coating. So there are some inspiring ideas for your home, how it will look, uh, and how you can prepare walls at your interior home. So these are things you can just consider during application or during painting any walls. So I would really thank you for you guys to being the part of today's video, and I hope that you would like this product. If you are planning to buy, please buy, because it's having very good properties like and qualities, and I will recommend that it's a really good product uh, in case of hygiene, and it's a low VOC product, so you can apply for it in your home. Thank you guys.